Good evening, sir. I am Angelo Jirel Purina. Section is 1F, and this is my discussion about ballast water management, anti-fouling system, and other contemporary regulation or requirements. Ballast water management refers to the process of controlling and managing the water taken on board by ships to maintain stability, balance, and structural integrity. The importance of, bal- of ballast water management regulation stems from the environmental risks posed by invasive aquatic species. Ships often take on ballast water from one port and discharge it at another, unintentionally transferring marine organisms between regions. These organisms can disrupt local ecosystems, outcome outcompete native species, and introduce diseases causing significant ecological harm. To combat the issues, the International Marine Organization established the Ballast Water Management Convention, which entered into force in 2017. The convention requires ships to manage their ballast water by either treating it to remove harmful organisms or by discharging it in a manner that minimize ecological risk. The anti-fouling system is designed to prevent the growth of marine organisms such as algae, barnacles, and mosses on the submerged parts of a ship's hull, including the bottom and propeller. Fouling organisms can affect a ship's performance by increased drag, reducing fuel efficiency, and even causing structural damage. Historically, ships use copper-based paint or organon compounds such as tributyltin, which were effective in preventing fouling but also highly toxic to marine life. In response to the environmental danger posed by toxic anti-fouling agents, the IMO adopted the International Convention on the Control of Harm Anti-Fouling Systems in 2001, which came into force in 2008. This convention aims to reduce the use of harmful substances and promote safer alternatives. And the last one is other contemporary regulation or requirements. In addition to ballast water management and anti-fouling system, there are several others contemporary maritime regulation designed to protect the environment and promote sustainability in the shipping industry. First is MARPOL Annex 4, air pollution and greenhouse gas emission reduction, ballast water record keeping and inspection, ships recycling and end-of-life ships, Hong Kong Convention, marine pollution and waste management, environmental management system, and that's all, sir.